Bilayer tablets deliver two active ingredients with different release profiles or combine incompatible substances in one tablet. But how are bilayer tablets actually made? For their production, we provide specialized tablet presses with 3 or 4 compression stations. The tableting process begins in the filling unit, where the first material is fed into the segment or die bores by dosing wheels. To fill the bores, the lower punches are moved downward, allowing sufficient material to flow in. Then they are raised by a dosing head to the precise amount of material required. Product residues on the segment surface are collected by a scraper and transported to a ring grove. The residual material is then fed back into the filling unit. After dosing, the material reaches the pre-compression station. Here, the punches move together to deaerate and pre-compress the material. Immediately behind this is a sample ejection system, which allows for quality control of the first layer. The compression pressure is temporarily increased to obtain a break-proof sample. A few tablets are automatically ejected during the changeover phases. Product residues are removed from the segment surface and bores before each filling unit. This prevents cross-contamination and unwanted interactions between the layers. Next, the second material is introduced. Just like the first layer, it is directed into the segment bores via a filling unit. Any remaining product residues are transported outward by an additional scraper and vacuumed away. In the pre-compression station, the punches vent and pre-compress both layers. Then, in the subsequent main compression station, the tablet receives its final shape and hardness. Finally, the finished tablets are ejected from the segment. Products that are outside of tolerance limits are automatically sorted into the bad channel. All other tablets are directed to the tablet chute and exit the tablet press as good products. With this technology, we enable the reliable production of high-quality bilayer tablets without layer mixing or cross-contamination.